everyone. Welcome to Sociflux, the only app you'll ever need to spike traffic on all your websites and social media accounts. If you've ever wondered what it's like to generate tons of traffic instantly, easily, and with just a few clicks of your mouse, then you're about to make the best choice as a marketer. With Sociflux, you will be able to easily post viral content to your sites and social media profiles in a matter of seconds, and you'll see results almost immediately. But don't just take our word for it. In this video, we're going to show you how easily it really is to use and drive results with Sociflux, the only social media and viral content app you'll need this year and beyond. We'll use an on-screen clock so you can see it all for yourself in real time, and we'll do it from the very beginning at the login screen. Start the clock. To log in, enter your info and click on Sign In. Stop the clock. As you see, it only takes up to 6 seconds to log into your Sociflux account. Once you log in, you'll see the dashboard with an overview of your connected social media accounts. From here, you'll be able to use Sociflux to create and post instant social media posts and websites. Let's create a quick social media post so you can see how easy and fast it is. Start the clock. Click on the Social Media Post tab first. Then click on the Add New Social Media Post button on the following page. Next, enter the post title and the post URL. Upload the post image. Enter your post text and click on Add. Stop the clock. As you can see, it takes roughly 30 seconds flat to create a high-converting social post with Sociflux. You will be able to preview your new social media post before sharing it to your social profiles. You can then share your new social media post after you complete it. Let's see how it's done. Start the clock. First, click on the Post to Social button. Next, select the social media platform where you'll share it, add your headline, and then click on the Share button corresponding to the social media page where you'll post it. Stop the clock. As you saw, it only takes 12 seconds flat or less to share a Sociflux post to your favorite social media platform. Now, you can do something amazing with Sociflux that no other app lets you do this easily. Find, curate, and share viral content from the web. Let's see this in action. Start the clock. First, click on the Add New Social Media Post button. Next, enter your niche keyword into the Search Any Keyword field and click on the search icon. Sociflux will show a list of trending posts that have gone viral, and all you have to do is select the post you want to share and click on Get Image, on Get Title, on Add URL, and on Get Content to pull all the content instantly to a new Sociflux post. Then click on Add to finish. Stop the clock. See? It only takes 28 seconds or less to find and curate viral content with Sociflux. Now that's what I call awesome. You can then click on the Post to Social button to share your new viral Sociflux content. Did we mention that you can also create viral websites with Sociflux? Yes, we did. And now we are going to show you how to easily build one with just a few clicks on your mouse. Okay, start the clock. First, click on the Websites tab. Then click on the Create New Website button in the following page. Now, select the template for your viral website. Stop the clock. As you can see, it only takes 9 seconds to pre-build a viral website with Sociflux. Now you can start editing the template. Because you will add your viral content later, this is as simple as replacing the logo, deleting the components you won't use, and editing the About Us text. Okay, start the clock. First, click on the logo in the header to replace it with your own logo. Next, start deleting the blocks and components that you won't use. Let's also replace the photo and text in the bio section. Keep deleting the stuff you won't use. Now edit the About Us text. Then delete the social media icons you won't use. Next, click on the Save icon, enter the name of your new viral site into the title field, and click on Save. Stop the clock. All right, what other app lets you create a viral website this easily in only 48 seconds flat? That's less than 1 minute to create a website. Only Sociflux can do that. After you create a website, you can edit it, map its URL to a domain you own, preview it, and edit its contact and about us pages. As a plus, you can add new slides to each of your websites. This is also as easy can get, and we'll show you now. Start the clock. First, click on the News Slides button. Next, click on the Create New Slide button in the following page. Now enter your niche keyword into the Search Any Keyword field, and then click on the Search button. Sociflux will show a list of viral news that you can add to your news slide, so select the news piece and click on its Get Image, Get Title, Add URL, and Get Content buttons to pull the content from the news content into a Sociflux post, and click on Add to finish. Stop the clock. As you can see, it only takes 26 seconds or less to find and curate viral news for your Sociflux websites. Another amazing Sociflux feature is that it allows you to monetize your websites easily. All you have to do is to click on the Monetization tab on the dashboard, to select the website you want to monetize from the list in the following page, and to click on its corresponding Edit button. Next, all you have to do is insert your monetization scripts. Monetization scripts you can add here include Facebook remarketing code and website ad scripts. The best part? You don't need to know coding to do all this, as all you have to do is insert your scripts and then to click on the Update button. Integrating your social networks with your account is something Sociflux makes easy too. All you have to do is click on the Settings tab, then to click on the Connect With button, and then to sign into your social network. And this is it, my friend. Sociflux in a nutshell. No other app will give you all the powerful features you'll get here, and no other app will help you get results this quick and easily.